how to use Binance. To start, open Binance app, and then here you will see in your home page the different information regarding Bitcoin. So first, let me introduce to you what is Binance. So Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange where users can buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of digital assets. It also offers various services like crypto wallet, interest earning opportunities, and tools for making investment decisions. So let's go back to home, and then in here we have the deposit button. So this is how to deposit your money to crypto. So we buy it based on our currency. So for example, I'll buy 120 PHP. So you will see the minimum amount, which is 500. And then you could select which cryptocurrency you would want. So for example, you want to search for Bitcoin. So you can tap, and then in here you could see the preview order once you have the right amount of money. And then you could also select the transaction method. So we have here the card, online banking, or e-wallet. And then let's check other tabs. So we have the markets. So in here you will see the different cryptocurrencies and their prices. We can also trade, and we can also see the different information. So in here you would see the different predictions regarding the different crypto. So you can see the different listings of crypto, and then you could also check your assets. So in here you would see all of the cryptocurrencies that you have invested. So that's it. That's how to use Binance.